Hi there, students. To auscultate. Auscultate. The verb. Auscultation. The noun. So you know when you go to the doctor and he sticks his stethoscope in his ear and he puts his stethoscope all over you and listens. This is auscultation. Okay, auscultation is the listening to the body. It's the listening for sounds made by your internal organs, particularly the heart and the lungs. Yeah, you can hear if somebody's got congested lungs and different things. You can also auscultate the digestive system. You can hear the of the stomach and the other internal digestive organs. Let's see, auscultation is actually the act of listening. Yeah, auscultation, the act of listening. But I would only use this in a medical framework. Yeah, the doctor auscultates his patients. Yeah, the auscultation of patients, just listening to the sounds using a stethoscope. Maybe you're listening for arrhythmia in the heart, or maybe some other thing. So if you're very practiced, you can tell a lot by auscultation. Now, auscultation is something that's actually been around for a very long time. I think maybe even the ancient Egyptian doctors auscultated. I think you put your ear to somebody's stomach or to their chest and you listen. And also palpitation, where you feel the body as well, is the other one that has very ancient roots. Let's see, auscultation, this word was invented by René Laennec. He was a French doctor, and he was a musician as well. In the early 19th century, and he was the person who actually invented the stethoscope. Yeah, the stethoscope. And then he also coined this phrase, auscultate. Yeah, auscultation. So the auscultation of patients. Auscultation requires quite a lot of skill. It requires a lot of practice and a lot of skill, but if you're good at it, it can tell you all sorts of things about a patient. So auscultation. Let's see, formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. It's a doctor's word. It's a medical word. Yeah, it's a word from a medical technique. So yeah, the doctor auscultated me. Yeah, auscultation is a technique that doctors use. And then as to origin, it comes from René Laennec, but originally the idea, it comes from Latin, ausculto. Yeah, ausculto, meaning to listen to, auscultare, to listen to. It originally comes from Proto-Italic auris, the ear, your shell-like, if you like. So I think enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Auscultate. Auscultation.